those fighting for it see a chance to improve not just things for themselves but for others as well. I think that's a maternal instinct.
Speaking of Mother Nature,
If that is the place, actually. But society-wide, there's definitely like a push towards some sort of balance. Things are unbalanced in too many corners of human societies. But the reaction is going to be significant for sure. Like I said, those not cool with being uncomfortable and those seeing an opportunity to move things along. Big changes. Very vague and broad, as are we.
oh yes, I almost feel like I don't belong in such beauty. And that's wrong, because we all do. I appreciate I'm grateful for the people who take care of these areas. This was actually it is an indigenous trail. And it has been a very, very shared place for everybody. Many people walk here. And look at that pretty one that just opened up. See if we can find another open one. Ooh, these ones aren't open yet. And ta-da! Hi, beauty. Ooh, we got focus here. There we go. They're so pretty.